Good morning children. Welcome to VVPS e-learning class. Today we are going to start exercise 6b. So your question number 1 of exercise 6b is write all the factors of the following numbers using division. So children, in this question we have to find out the factors of the given number using the division method. So first question is 64. 64, we will find out the numbers in which the 64 comes, in which tables the 64 comes. So in the table of 1, 64 divided by 1 is equal to 64. Then in the table of 2, 2 can divide 64. So 64 divided by 2, answer will come 32. So in 3's table 64 cannot be divided. So we will check from 4. 4 16s are 64. So 64 divided by 4 is equal to 16. Then we will see that in the table of 5 and 6 and 7, 64 cannot be divided. So in the table of 8 we will check 8 8s are 64. 64 when divided by 8, answer will come 8. 64 when divided by 16, answer will come 4. 16 4s are 64. Then 64 divided by 32, answer will come 2. And last is 64 divided by 64 is 1. So children, factors of 64 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So in these tables 64, by these tables 64 can be divided. In question number B, 36 is given. So we will find out that in which table 36 can come. In the table of 1, 36 ones are 36. So 36 divided by 1, answer will come 36. In the table of 2, 2 18s are 36. 36 divided by 2, answer will come 18. 36 divided by 3, answer will come 12. 36 divided by 4, answer will come 9. 36 divided by 6, answer will come 6. 36 divided by 9, answer will come 4. 36 divided by 12, answer will come 3. 36 divided by 18, answer will come 2. And 36 divided by 36, answer will come 1. So children, we will read only that table in which the 36 come or the number given in the question come. So we will read only that table. So we will not write all the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. Only we have to find out that the number comes in which table. So factors of 36 are 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 36. These are the factors of 36. Now question number C, 80 is given. 80 when divided by 1, answer will come 80. Then it will come in 2's table, 2 40s are 80. Then it will come in 4's table, 4 20s are 80. Then 5 16s are 80, 8 10s are 80, 10 8s are 80, 16 5s are 80, 20 4s are 80, 40 2s are 80 and 81s are 80. So 80 comes in table of 1 2 4 5 8 10 16 20 40 80. So the factors of 80 are 1 2 4 5 8 10 16 20 40 and 80. Clear? Now question number D, 42. 42 will come in the table of 1. 42 ones are 42. And in the table of 2, 2 20 ones are 42. 3 14s are 42. 6 7s are 42. 7 6s are 42. 14 3s are 42. 21 2s are 42 and 42 ones are 42. So it will come, 42 will come in the table of 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 and 42. So the factors of 42 are 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 and 42. Now your today's homework is you have to solve question number E of the exercise 6b, question number 1 in your classwork copy. Once again I am repeating, You have to solve question number E, which is given after question number D here. So of exercise 6B and question number 1. Thank you and have a nice day.